Hi, I'm Melissa Zane. I'm an artist and an acrylic painter, and in 2021, I am looking to expand to a broader audience. I am starting my own YouTube channel. I'll be posting another video soon to tell you more about myself and what I plan to do in this channel, but I just wanted to start with this video to share what I'm going to do as far as setup is concerned. So I wanted to show you what I just got. It is the HaloFlex Duo 3.5-inch LED ring light. It is part of their vlogging series, On Air vlogging series. So this is how I'm going to get started. As you can see, the lighting's not the best in here. I'm trying to figure out which room I'm going to share most of these videos on, but for now, this is where I'm starting. And I just wanted to show, I haven't even opened this up yet. So let me get this open. I'm really super excited because this is something I've been wanting to do for a while now, and it is part of my New Year's resolution and goal to expand the audience. So let's just see. Oh, okay. This is where I'm starting. It's not going to be where I end up, but this is where I'm starting. Oh, this is actually really cool. Oh, and it clips on. It has this nice little clip. Clips onto the side. Be so much better lighting. All right. Let's get this paper off of here. You always have the poppy bubbles. My kids always like to play with those. All right, so this is what it looks like. It's really nice because I can actually move this all around. I'll have this handy dandy little ring light. Ooh. And then here's the base, which I'll be able to clip on like to the table. Oh, that's actually really, really cool. All right, so like I said, this is just a very, this is just the very beginning of my YouTube channel. Please feel free to like and subscribe. Just off the top of my head, some of the things that I'll be doing, I'll be showing you more about what I do, my painting techniques, and I'll be doing some tutorials. I'll also share sources of inspiration with you, and maybe even take you on a few little garden tours, but right now it's winter time, so it's not as nice outside at the time. But with that being said, there's lots of inspiration that you can find. So once again, I'm Melissa Zane, and really, really nice to meet you all. And please like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be seeing you again very soon in the future. Bye for now.